Essential oils for a cough. Coughing is a natural reflex that helps to clear the airways and protect the lungs. However, it can also be a symptom of an underlying health condition. If you're suffering from a cough, there are a few essential oils that can help to provide relief. Eucalyptus oil. Eucalyptus oil is one of the most popular natural remedy choices for cough relief. The oil has expectorant properties that help to loosen mucus and make it easier to cough. In addition, eucalyptus oil is also antibacterial and anti-inflammatory, which can help to reduce irritation in the throat and respiratory tract and improve airflow. Peppermint oil. Peppermint oil is another effective option for cough relief. It has a refreshing minty scent and can be used in a number of ways. One of the most popular uses for peppermint oil is to relieve a cough. The oil has a cooling effect that can help to soothe the throat, and it also contains menthol, which has expectorant properties. Like eucalyptus oil, it can loosen phlegm and mucus, which makes the cough more productive. It is especially soothing for dry coughs. Rosemary oil. Rosemary oil has long been used as a remedy for coughs and other respiratory ailments. The oil is extracted from the rosemary plant, which is also commonly used as a culinary herb due to its strong aromatic flavour. The oil is traditionally inhaled or rubbed on the chest to relieve congestion. This stimulates the release of mucus from the respiratory tract, making it easier to cough up. It can also help to break down mucus. Geranium oil. Geranium oil has long been used as a home remedy for coughs, colds, and other respiratory ailments. Its main active ingredient, geraniol, is thought to possess antibacterial, antiviral, and antioxidant properties. Lavender oil. When you have asthma, the airways in your lungs become inflamed and constricted, making it difficult to breathe. While there is no cure for asthma, there are treatments that can help to relieve symptoms and prevent attacks. One such treatment is lavender oil. Lavender oil has been shown to be an effective bronchodilator, meaning that it helps to open up the airways and improve airflow. Frankincense oil. The oil is derived from the resin of the boswellia tree, and it contains a number of compounds that are beneficial for health. One of these compounds is boswellic acid, which has anti-inflammatory and expectorant properties. This means that it can help to reduce inflammation in the throat and respiratory tract. When you have a cough, it can be annoying, painful, and keep you awake at night. All of the essential oils mentioned have been shown to be effective in relieving coughs. That wraps things up for today. Thanks for watching, and let us know if you have any questions.